Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. This video is all about the most common questions that I see in my comment section. That is, Instagram has added one new feature to Reels, that you can add interactive stickers to a Reels. So the question was can we add this interactive stickers in our reels for a particular seconds? For example, if my reel is of 60 seconds but I want to put that sticker in my reels for a 10 second, then is it possible? But so the answer is no. Currently, there is no such features or option in our Instagram Reels that you can add a sticker for a particular seconds. But in the coming days, if Instagram will add this feature, then I will let you know uh, with a new video. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.